Red-crowned crane is a graceful bird with spectacular markings. It has a snow-white body and contrasting black head, neck, and inner wings. Apart from being the heaviest member in the crane family, it is also the tallest. It prefers deeper water than the other members of its family. Due to its magnificent courtship dances and lifelong partnerships, this bird is considered a symbol of good luck and happiness. This iconic crane is widely portrayed in Japanese paintings and ceramics. This omnivorous bird feeds on seeds, insects, fish, small mammals, and aquatic invertebrates. In the winter, the Japanese population of this species gathers at feeding stations and eats rice and corn put out for them. Habitat. Wetland.